steam vegetables in a rice cooker. Keep watching and I'll show you how. Hey everyone, I'm Coral and welcome to my channel. A couple of months ago, I did a review on this Aroma rice cooker. We've had it for several months now and use it all the time, and based on that video review, I've had a lot of people ask about how to use the steam feature. So today I'm going to walk you through how to use it to steam vegetables. If you're interested and want to watch the video review of the rice cooker and how to cook rice, click down below in the description for the link to that video. Step one before you start cooking is to wash and prep your veggies. You can use fresh vegetables or frozen vegetables to cook in this rice cooker, but pretty much make sure it's cut up the way that you want it before you start cooking. The next step is to fill the inner pot with 2 cups of water. Now this is 2 cups of the provided measuring cup that comes with the rice cooker. If you've misplaced your rice cooker or don't have it, one of the provided measuring cups is actually 3/4 a cup. So if you don't have that measuring cup, then you'll need 1.5 cups of water in the inner pot. Next, you're gonna take your veggies, place them in the provided steamer tray, put them in the cooker and close the lid. Once the lid is closed, turn on the cooker, press the steam button and set the time. The instruction manual that comes with the cooker has a vegetable steaming table. There's also a steaming table for the meat to let you know how long you need to cook them. If you've misplaced or don't have this instruction manual, I will put the vegetable steaming table down below in the description. So click down there if you need that. I'm cooking green beans for this video, so the recommended time is 15 minutes. Once you set the time, then the cooker will beep and the cooking light will illuminate to let you know that it's started cooking. One important thing to note with this is that the countdown timer does not start until the water inside of the cooker boils. So this can be really confusing. It was confusing for me the first time I tried to steam veggies in the cooker, because if you're looking at it and noticing that the countdown timer isn't moving, you might be wondering if it is actually cooking. The cooking light illuminated and the beep let you know that it is cooking, and after you start to hear the water boiling inside of the cooker, that's when the time of steaming actually starts in order to cook your vegetables. So don't let that scare you the first time that you try it. When the cooking is done, the rice cooker will beep again to let you know it's done and will automatically turn to warm just like it does when cooking rice. It's important though when steaming vegetables that you check them right away to see if they are done. So I just used a fork to stick into my green beans to make sure that they were cooked the way that I wanted them. If they are done, you need to remove them right away so that they don't continue cooking and get mushy and gross. When you are removing them, make sure that you use some hot pads or some silicone pads when removing the steamer tray, and be careful of the steam because it can still be coming out of the cooker and it can definitely burn you. The last step is totally optional, and that is season your veggies. Whenever my green beans were done, I transferred them to another bowl and tossed them with a little bit of butter, salt, and lemon pepper in order to give them some more flavor. Those are all the steps that you need to know in order to steam veggies in the Aroma rice cooker. Now you can also steam vegetables in the rice cooker at the same time that you are cooking rice. That way it's just a little bit harder and requires a little bit more work on your part. If this is what you want to do, once you get the vegetables in the steamer basket, wait until the rice has started cooking. You have to know ahead of time how much time you want to put the vegetables in. You can open the lid while the rice is cooking, place the steamer basket into the cooker, close the lid, and then you're going to want to set a timer for the amount of time that you want to steam the vegetables. When the timer has gone off, check your vegetables and then remove them, close the lid, and let the rice continue cooking. So that's just another way that you can steam vegetables in the rice cooker. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope it helps you when cooking vegetables in your rice cooker. If you're interested in this Aroma rice cooker or want to know how to use it in order to cook rice, click down in the description below and go watch that video. I also have a link below in the description if you're ready to purchase this Aroma rice cooker. If you did enjoy today's video, do me a favor and give me a thumbs up down below. Also, comment below and let me know, do you have any other questions about cooking with this Aroma rice cooker? If you haven't already, click that subscribe button and hit the bell. That way you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.